Hi D gang, I'm back with another video. I told y'all I was gonna be more consistent. Okay, so today I'm going to be going into more detail about the giveaway that I mentioned in my last video. So I'm basically holding I hope this is like not crooked. Basically holding a Cybrary Insider Pro giveaway. It's a 50% discount on their Insider Pro Career Path program, which I am currently enrolled in myself. And it's been an amazing training program for me to build my skills. So this is basically going to be a tutorial on how you enter a step-by-step guide. It's very easy. I kept it to 4 steps so you can qualify for the giveaway. And I know I kept y'all for like 34 minutes in the last video, but I'm gonna keep it short and sweet. I'm gonna let y'all go. You know, I ain't gonna keep y'all for that long this time. I know y'all got things to do, whatever. All right, so long story short as to why I'm holding this giveaway. So back in February in San Francisco, B-Sides was holding a, let me take these glasses off because, baby, I want y'all to see my face. Back to the story. Back in February, San Francisco was holding a B-Sides event. If you haven't been to a B-Sides event, B-Sides is basically like a security conference that you come together to discuss security. You can present security topics, security hacking tutorials, you can demo hacking projects, you know, all that, the whole shebang. I've been to 2 B-Sides events. I've been to one in DC and I've been to one in Baltimore. The first one was in DC and I actually volunteered there, and I also learned how to pick locks. The second one in Baltimore, I won the keyboard that you guys see on my Amazon page and the gaming mouse. I also analyzed malware there too. And I'm not sure where that USB stick is, but when I find that USB stick filled with malicious malware, we're gonna have to play with that soon. But anyways, back to the story. February, B-Sides security conference. Cybrary was there, as you can see on my sweatshirt, but I was not there. But my name sure was, okay? Digital Empress was there, but she wasn't physically there. Well, a bunch of my audience, a bunch of you guys that follow me on here, on Twitter, on Instagram, know that I market Cybrary religiously to learn security and stuff like that. And a lot of people were going up to their booth or going up to them and telling them about me and mentioning me. And I thought that was, I was psyched. I was psyched. So fast forward, and everybody who went to the event was mentioning me on Twitter saying, oh, I mentioned you to Cybrary. They were there, and I told them how you told me about Cybrary and asked them if they knew you and da 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 da. And I was like, oh my God, like, that's crazy. Well, Cybrary eventually reached out to me and thanked me personally for promoting them and, you know, getting people involved with their program. And they also thanked me by sending me some swag. If you're not a part of the tech community and you don't know what swag is basically like gifts that you get when you go to tech conferences. You can get sweatshirts, t-shirts are a big thing. I used to have a bunch of hackathon t-shirts that I don't have anymore because I thought, y'all see how I dress? Like, I don't like those uncomfortable t-shirts. I might have merch coming soon. You could get like pens, pencils, USBs, just, you know, common tech stuff. I'm gonna show you guys a few of the things that they sent me. So nice, I loved it. This sweatshirt was one of them. Super nice. The logo right here. And I have pockets and I have a hood. It's like a, you know, typical hacker hoodie. I also have this thing that I've been playing with. It's a level, you can see here. And it's also a flashlight. They also sent me this pen. Actually the ink pen that was in here wasn't working, and I switched it out because I didn't want to throw it away. So I like put a new pen in here. And they also sent me another t-shirt, which is so cute, and it matches my nails. See, it matches my nails. It's the pink on pink. And they also sent me this really sweet letter. It says, Digital Empress, thank you for all your support. Keep up the great work. The Cybrary team. So sweet. I love Cybrary so much. Like, I'm low-key trying to become an ambassador because that's how much I love them. And last but not least, they also sent me a 50% discount code. Now, I'm already enrolled, like I said before, and I already have the cheapest discount that you can put towards the membership. So since I'm already blessed, I wanted to bless you guys. Like I said, you got me. I'm currently at 700, and I think y'all literally got me to 788 followers in I think, what, 2 days? Y'all are wild. Y'all are crazy. I love you. So one of you lucky guys are going to get a 50% discount on the Cybrary Insider Program, and you get to build your hands-on security hacking pen testing knowledge, because the Empress wants you to succeed in the field of cybersecurity. All right, so let's hop into how to enter. There's only 4 requirements for you to qualify for the 50% discount code. The first requirement, you have to be following me on Twitter, because I give you your life on Twitter, okay? I'm always giving knowledge on anything and everything, specifically security, because you guys know that's my expertise. But I will give you motivation, I will push you, I will shout you out. Twitter is the land of getting gems from me, like all day. Second requirement, visit my Amazon influencer page. You guys know that I mentioned this in my last video as well. And if you're really about that empire life, sweetie, why don't you go ahead and buy you some tech gear while you're there? And if you really about that empire life, mention me on Twitter and I'll give you a shout out. The third requirement for qualifying for the 50% discount code is visit my YouTube channel. If you're already here, you're ahead of the game, sweetie. Good job. If you're subscribed and you're a part of the game, you're also ahead. But if you're not, you're behind and you need to catch up, okay? We're about to leave you, baby. Come on the rocket ship. And the last and final requirement, I can't wait to see what you guys comment on this post. I really put this one in there to not only get it as a requirement for the giveaway, but I just want to interact with you guys and engage with you guys. I love interacting and engaging with y'all online and getting knowledge. Like, you guys fill me with knowledge all the time. I learn a bunch from you guys, and just building that, digital relationship is an amazing feeling. Like, I'm not just online just to just be on there and get followers. It's become more than that. So I created this blog post for you guys to go on there and comment your career goals in cybersecurity, how you're actively pursuing your goals in the field, and how the Cybrary Insider Pro program is going to help you. This is also a way for you to showcase to anyone who comes to my website who's looking for entry-level cybersecurity experts, novices, for internships. I'm going to find out a way how I can, broadcast you guys to employers and have them come and see, people who are passionate about the field and who are really seeking to get that entry-level position and learn more about the field. That's about it. I told y'all it's easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And if that's too hard for you, I don't know what to tell you. Like, the deadline is May 31st at 11:59 p.m. You guys have the entire rest of the month to go through, fulfill all the requirements, make sure you've entered. I will be announcing the winner June 1st. I will be contacting you through social media, wherever I can find you, Twitter, Instagram, wherever, or email, and I will personally send you the discount code, and it will be the same day that I announce the winner. That's about it. I just want to thank you guys for all the support that you gave me on my last video. I see that a lot of you respond well to cybersecurity and freelancing talk, so we're gonna talk more about that going forward. Y'all are so faithful to me. I appreciate you so much. I've grown in followers so quickly, like, oh my God. All right, and I'm gonna head out of here. I want to know what you guys are learning in cybersecurity right now, or even if it's not security, comment down below. Let's talk about it. Let's see what we can exchange, what knowledge we can share with each other. I want to know the tea, so spill it in the comments. Spend it. All right, and before I let you go, make sure you subscribe to me. If you're new here, give me a thumbs up because you like yourself. Okay, like me because you like yourself. And I will see you guys in the next one.